Sis, you don't need anybody to install your tape-ins. You can install them at home yourself. So this is my second time installing tape-in hair extensions, and I love the way that this install turned out, y'all. So this go round, I just wanted to leave out hair in the middle, all the way around the perimeter, so I could do either a middle parting or wear my hair all the way up in a ponytail or a bun. And last time I used 3 packs of tape-ins. This time I only use 1.5 pack. This is a much more natural install. I feel like it matches the density of my hair a lot better too, because I have fine hair. My hair is not thick when it's straight. So this is like the perfect density. 1.5 packs, y'all. That's all you need. So just order 2 packs of tape-ins if you like the density of my hair right now. So I want to give a big thank you to Eayon Hair for sponsoring today's video. I am rocking 1.5 packs of their Yaki Straight 24-inch tape-in extensions. I feel like it's easier to blend your natural hair with the hair when you curl it as well. So for those of you who wanted me to curl the last tape-in install that I did, I'm curling it for y'all today so you can see exactly what it looked like straight. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a ponytail, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like curled, of course. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you would like to see how I installed these tape-ins and styled them today, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned. So before we get into this tape-in install, I started off with freshly washed hair. I used a clarifying shampoo so that my hair could be nice and clean. I deep conditioned my hair with a moisturizing mask so that my hair could be well moisturized. I did go in with a skinny serum from Paul Mitchell just to make sure that my hair was nice and sleek. So let's go straight into my braid pattern where I'm installing the tape-ins right now. So my tape-in extensions arrived in this bag, and it also came in individual plastic bags. And here is one set of tape-ins. I got a total of 3, all in 24-inch. This is their Yaki Straight texture, really similar to my natural hair when it has been straightened. It also came with extra tape. All the hair that has been braided and twisted in the middle and around the entire perimeter is the hair that I will be leaving out for this tape-in install. And all the hair that I have in ponytails, like on both sides and in the back, are where I will be installing the tape-ins. So let's go ahead and start installing the tape-ins. I'm starting in the very back section, and I'll be applying 3 tapes going downwards. Then we're going to flip those tapes over and install the tape as close as possible to the original tape. You want them to fit together like a sandwich. Be sure not to install the tape super close to your roots. You want to leave a little bit of room, y'all. Otherwise, it will snag on your hair and could cause breakage, which you do not want. So I am going to go ahead and use a flat iron, not on though. It's very cool, y'all. So make sure it's not on because you don't want to melt that tape. It is cool. This is just to make sure they are as close together as possible because I do not have the professional clamp tool, but I'm doing the brick method just like I did on my first tape-in install. It turned out really good. So just keep watching, and I will be back once we get to a different section because this is super repetitive. It's not hard. It's just like a matter of seeing the back of your head. But I have 2 mirrors so I can see what is going on. So be sure to leave a little bit of leave out so you can cover your tapes in the back so that when you wear a middle parting, you can't see the tapes. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the front sections. I'm starting on the right hand side and I'm using a diagonal pattern and I'm doing the exact same thing. This makes it so when you wear your hair down, the hair is pushing towards the front of your face, so it makes it look more full and you don't have to leave out as much hair. But also when you wear it up in a ponytail, it's going to smooth back and look so seamless. So this is perfect. I did not do the pattern like this in the front last time when I laid my tapes, but this time it turned out so bomb, y'all. So I did my makeup off camera. You know your hair doesn't start to come together until you do your makeup, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the tape ends look like in a ponytail. It looks super cute and good. You cannot see any of the tapes because of the method that I installed the hair. It's very flat. I love it. I could have got it in a tighter ponytail, but I just wanted to really quickly show y'all what it looks like. It looks even better when it's curled in a ponytail, but I didn't show y'all what that looked like because I didn't want to mess up my curls. But this is what the hair looks like straight. It looks really pretty, but I want to go ahead and curl this hair up. So we're going to curl it and then do pin curls so it looks really good. So I want these curls to last for a few days, so I'm going to do pin curls. I'm using this Hot Tools curling wand. I will leave it linked in the description box down below. I'm curling away from my face and then I'm holding it in my hand and then I'm using these clips to keep the hair pinned up. This is going to allow the curls to last for days because I am not trying to put all that heat on my natural hair. I've already had to blow dry, straighten, and then curl my hair and the tape ends. So yeah, that's a lot of heat. I don't use heat on my hair that often, so it will be okay. But yeah, I love the way that pin curls turn out. So I'm gonna do the curling all the way up to the top and I will be back once I get to the other side. Now it's time to do the other side. I'm curling away from my face, so it's the opposite direction of the other side. And another thing that I love about doing the pin curls is sometimes, you know, when you curl your hair and then you go to the other side, one side of the curls have dropped more than the other. Because I'm doing the pin curls, they are going to look the exact same because they are going to cool at the same rate and be held at the same amount of time because I'm gonna wait until this side cools to go ahead and pull them down. So yeah, that is a positive for doing the pin curls all the way around. So now that the hair has completely cooled down on both sides, I'm gonna go ahead and pull those pins out so we can see what the curls look like. They look really good, y'all. I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. Y'all already know I love using a wide tooth comb to really comb those curls out and just break them up so they look more voluminous. Y'all, this looks so good. I was shocked that this hair curled that good because sometimes yaki hair, it doesn't curl very good. It kind of looks weird, but this one looks so good and my natural hair blended in great with it. Like, I can barely tell where my natural hair starts and where the tape ends begin. I cannot get over how good these curls came out, y'all. What the heck? Like, they look really good, right? And then once I get that wide tooth comb out and I start combing the curls, it's amazing. I'm gonna use flexi rods to keep this style up for some days. So if y'all want a video on that, let me know. Ain't nobody finna check me, okay? This is my hair, baby. This is my hair. So this tape-in install turned out super cute. I feel like the second time around I was a little bit more confident. I knew how to install the tape-ins already, and I wanted to do less hair because last time my hair looked good, but it was full and it was really hard to put in a ponytail because it was so dang full. So I'm like, let's go ahead and try to do less. I actually was going for 2 packs, but I ended up using only 1.5. And I left out more hair around my perimeter so that when I pull my hair back in a ponytail, you can't see anything. Like, you can't see any tape at all. Don't be afraid to leave out more hair than usual, because if you leave out less hair, you're gonna see your tapes. But if you leave out too much, it's not gonna look crazy. If y'all are interested in checking out these tape and hair extensions from Eayon Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box. If you have any questions that I didn't cover in this video about installing these tape-ins or styling them, or you just have any questions about tape-ins in general, let me know in the comment section down below. I will answer all of your questions per usual, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not checked out my latest video, What Are You Doing? Go ahead, click the box right here and keep the party going.